A question we get quite often is, what kind of expenses can I expect whenever I buy a home through your rent-to-own program? You're going to have all the normal expenses that you would, just like when you're buying, except there's no long wait period for the closing. There's also no closing costs until you get your own loan, and no costly commissions to worry about. Now you're going to be running the home exactly like it's yours. You're taking over responsibility for all maintenance and taxes. It's not a typical landlord-tenant relationship. Now what's interesting about the taxes is they're included in some of our homes, but not all. So you should always ask us whenever you're inquiring about one of our rent-to-own properties. Now, another question is, once I'm in the home, can I do certain improvements? Can I improve the property? Yes, absolutely. For example, we had a family install a brand new HVAC system and generator. And then in a separate case, we had buyers put in furnaces and other improvements to the property. Remember, all these improvements and subsequent increases in equity, you're gaining in the improvement of the property, not us. It's to your benefit.